Well, hello there again, Internet. It's been a while since we've done this whole thing here, and I've missed you. I really have. You know, things have just been so crazy at the house. It has zapped all of my creative energy, and honestly, I haven't really been that inspired to do any other DIY projects. But that has all changed because Pasta Volcano, what? Yeah. There is some light in the vast darkness of this world. Okay, so I've been working real hard to lose weight lately. I've lost about 20 pounds. I've been eating like a bird, and sometimes you just need a pasta volcano, okay? The first thing we have to do though is head to the gym and burn some calories so I don't feel so guilty about eating a fucking pasta volcano. Good old Gold's Gym. Hashtag not sponsored, y'all. Do I deserve pasta volcano yet? Let's go shopping. Woo! We did it! Yes, I'm feeling pumped. Pumping up. Pump up the jams. Pumping the iron. Or pump a lot. I don't know. Okay, so I burned a solid 400 on the elliptical. Probably another 100 on the weight floor. Maybe another 50 to 90 in the sauna. I think I deserve a fucking pasta volcano. Oh, Lord. I am so hungry. Did you hear that? My stomach is like, yo, bitch, where the pasta volcano at? She hungry. She real hungry, y'all. Oh, all sore. Oh, wow. When did it become f***ing summer out here? Trying to cover my butt some. You know how people get triggered by stretchy pants in public. Alrighty. Flu season, y'all. Hey, mambo, mambo Italiano. You can't have a Sicilian pasta volcano without some Sicilian wine. Are you Sicilian me? You're Sicily. Oh, I need some chase. Pecorino. I got your pecorinos right here. Pasta, pasta, pasta. They don't sell agnolini, so we're gonna have to make our own. Totally fine. I do anolini all the time. So things I've learned in my lifetime. Making your own tomato sauce is really easy. All you need is a can of whole tomatoes, some garlic. And the last thing we need is a ball of pre-made pizza dough. I ain't got no time to make my own pizza dough now. All right, I think we got everything we need. Let's go make a pasta volcano. I don't think I can watch any more home renovation shows. This is why I need a pasta volcano. Yeah, so I'll be following this recipe by Barbara Lynch because I don't want to use meat. And I've made this before and it's delicious. But first we're gonna be making our very easy tomato sauce. So simple and so delicious. While that simmers, we can start the pasta. Just call me Captain Hook. Okay, I don't know if this is working. God damn you, anal lady. It's finally happening. What? Oh yeah, you don't want to mess with me, motherfuckers. Okay, now you just roll out some little worms and then press each of the worm ends together to form a pasta Cheerio. And yeah, you just do that over and over and over and over again. I only have this many done. How do you even fill up a whole bowl of anals? Anal leonis. Analinis. Analini. And this isn't even the volcano part. Well, it's another glorious summer day outside. What the hell is going on here? It was just snowing 3 days ago. Let's take a look outside. Everyone's just enjoying it out here. You listening to the birdies? Oh, you are so cute. I mean, really, this is what the whole video should be about. Just you being cute. What are you doing out here? We're listening to the birds. Do you think you can identify that bird by its call?
That's a cardinal. Duh.
Look at that little smile. What is that even? You're so cute. I could do this all day, but I guess there is a pasta volcano to be made. Kitty, you gonna help me with the pasta volcano? Like, bitch, put some food in my bowl. Speaking of which, it looks like someone walked through the flour last night and tracked it all over the countertop. Why you get on the countertop, you little monster? No, I don't know if you've touched my precious pasta. I guess we're gonna boil it anyway. Should be fine. Okay, so I tested out some of the pasta that I made last night and it was delicious, and I may have tested a little bit too much. So I spent the next 2 hours rolling little anal leanies, and this is all I got. I don't think this will make a whole bowl full. So I'm gonna have to roll a little bit more. And luckily, because we kept a damp cloth on top of this, this is still usable dough, you guys. Well, kinda. I mean, yeah, I think it'll be okay. I think I got another hour of working with these little anal leanies, and then we're good to go. This takes a long time. You know what really makes this pasta special is that every little anal leanie is a different shape, a different size. I guess you could say no two anal leanies are created alike. Some anal leanies are bigger, some anal leanies are a little more tight. Yeah, the quality of content here on this channel has skyrocketed. Right, Kitty? You're really what everyone wants to see. So let's just see those little paws. What do you think? You tell everyone something? No? Sorry to disturb you. Our anal leanie is completely, or at least the amount that we're doing today, because I don't have any more time to make any more of these little assholes. The next thing we have to do is cook the pasta. Now we drain the pasta. Then we gotta make our sauce, add some peas in there. You know what they say, give peas a chance. Try a little bite. Oh my god, this is so delicious. So delicious! Dump this right in our pie dish here. Make sure you get all these f***ers out of here, because these are hard to make. We have a couple fallen heroes here. Once they fall down there, they're dead to me. And then cover it with the pizza dough. Don't know if these going to work. It's a little thin in this area. Not sure, not sure. All right, it is what it is. Last step, add your homemade tomato sauce right in the middle. I think I already have a hole. See if this puppy turns out. Obviously, the dude in the video has a wood burning oven, and we don't have that. Hopefully, it works in the regular oven, because if not, I'm gonna be really sad. Probably should clean all this crap up while we're waiting. Should we take a little peek and see how it's doing? It's been in there for about 4 minutes. Oh, it's kinda like it, I think. I'm gonna turn it around. Turn around, turn around. Oh, holy shit, you guys. There is a bubble forming. I am considering this a fucking win. Pasta motherfucking volcano, bitches. All right, let's take it out. It's gonna burn. Ah! Oh. As soon as I took it out, the bubble popped. Ah! And it's cracking. Whoa, you guys. It is a pasta volcano. What? I think it looks pretty volcano-y, if you're asking me. I'm pretty freaking excited. Let's get in there. Oh, what? Oh, this is glorious. This is what my dreams come true looks like. Not that hard to please, people. Not that hard. Oh my god, right on top of there like that. Oh god. Holy shit. No, got some on there. Wow. What? This is highly recommended. So excited, perspiring. Yep, totally worth the calories. Pasta Cheerios. Cheerio. Yes, pasta volcano. Yes. Oh, that's the bite right there. Woo! The workout just trying to eat this thing. Actually, no. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to work out a little extra harder later. Much later. Probably shouldn't eat this whole thing myself, but I'm going to. I think this is gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Living my best life. Yes, we did it. Pasta Mount Vesuvius. As predicted, the pasta guilt has set in, and I'm back on the old elliptical. I figured if I was gonna eat this thing for dinner too, probably need to work off a few calories. I also just remembered we forgot to open our wine. Honestly, I would have had wine with breakfast, but I didn't feel like listening to Rob whine about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm thinking we got pasta volcano and wine for dinner. As always, this has just been amazing. Love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like up this video, and I'll see you later.